Good morning everyone, this is Peter Riak here. If you don't know me, I'm a primary and nature photographer. You can check out my Instagram account right there and my portfolio if you are so inclined. So it's 6:30 in the morning. I'm in chilly winter Melbourne at Jazz Park, which is a conservation area, or where I'm actually heading to. I'll be taking some pictures, hopefully taking some pictures of some bird species. I haven't been here for about, wow, the duck is just flying past. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah. I think they are wood ducks. So I haven't been here, as I was gonna say, for 3 months or so, maybe even longer than that. I've been overseas, and I've been missing this place. It's a beautiful area, gorgeous lake with at least 30-40 bird species that are prevalent here. It's getting cold. As you're getting closer to the lake, it's covered in mist. So hopefully I'll be able to capture some decent images this morning. We've been having shitty weather here in Melbourne, and this is gonna be the first day in quite some time, in a long time, where we're gonna have just sun all day long. There won't be any clouds in the sky, I can tell already. Hey Alex! So I'm at one of the small piers here. I've been here a couple of times. I really like this. This is gorgeous. I launched my drone here one day and took some areas of this conservation island right there. There are multiple islands on this lake, and it's absolutely beautiful. So hopefully I'll be able to capture some awesome shots today. The conditions are looking perfect for some bird photography, so see how we go. Check this out, how extremely loud are they? These are Australian white ibises, and there are approximately, I'd say, 1,000 to 2,000 in this area, and they can be extremely raucous. So this is the conservation island I've been telling you about. It's teeming with bird life right now. Last time we were here, there were only a handful of ibises left, but it seems like they've returned, and I've also spotted at least 50 or so egrets, and I had not seen that species in this area before. So hopefully once the sun comes up, we're gonna get some decent light, and from the other side, which is just over there, if you can see, I'll be able to take some decent shots, maybe get lucky enough and capture some in-flight images of them as well. So let's hope so, fingers crossed. So I managed to capture a few shots of great egrets just landing on the on those branches over there, but they're a little bit too far away. Shut up, kookaburras! Freaking things, it's so loud. I said shut up! So I wish I had a much bigger lens, like an 800mm. Alex, when are you gonna dish out 20K? So, as I said, I got a couple of shots as they were landing on those branches at the top, but I have to crop those images quite a bit to get a little bit of detail out of those. The top branches are already catching the first rays of sunlight, and I'm gonna be staying here for at least another half an hour or so. So I've been trying to take some panning shots of white ibises and got some decent images, but not as close as I'd like them to be. So I'll be staying here for another few minutes and then see how we go. So the panning shots didn't work out as well as I was hoping. I still managed to grab a couple of semi-decent shots. We'll know more once I get to see them on the big screen. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then please hit subscribe and the like button and also the bell button for notification of my future posts. And I'm out.